How to pour German Weissbier. Now, Weissbier or Hefeweitzen or Hefeweiss is a wheat beer, and it's usually not filtered, so it's got all of the yeast in there, and that means that the yeast is full of vitamin B. They don't remove it or filter it out, so if you drink Weissbier, it will replace the vitamin B that you lose from drinking alcohol. And in theory, anyway, you won't get a hangover. The way to pour a Weissbier, or a Hefeweizen in particular, or if it's cloudy, because it's called, in Germany, it's Naturtrüb, naturally cloudy, because of the yeast that's suspended in there. What you do is you take your glass, and usually it's not going to be a pint glass, it'll be one of the special Hefeweizen glasses that are provided. You turn it like this, upside down. Now what happens here is you draw the bottle up very slowly, and you allow the sediment from the yeast to go into the glass. Now what's happening here, you'll notice it's not overflowing even though I'm holding it there, because it's creating a vacuum seal. The lip is slightly below the surface. Now I lift it out, lift it out, lift it out. Now you would say, well, but the beer is expanding because of the bubbles inside there. It should be forcing it out. In fact, what's happening is a vacuum is occurring, and any of the CO2 that escapes into that vacuum, okay. Now because this glass is not as big, there's still some left in here. Normally it will fill it up just perfectly to the top. If not, then you've got this big column of head in here, and that's okay because you'll, in this case, I would drink this out of here and then I would gently pour the rest in there and give it a nice head. And the head actually tastes quite pleasant. So that's how you pour a German beer. The Hefeweizen beers, the wheat beers from Germany.